Welcome to KP Health Hub Official. Today's powerful fruit is the orange, scientifically known as Citrus sinensis. Oranges are believed to have originated in southern China or northeast India and are now loved across the globe. This juicy citrus fruit is bursting with vitamin C, a natural antioxidant that boosts your immunity, supports glowing skin, and helps fight infections. Oranges also contain fiber, folate, potassium, and flavonoids that aid digestion, regulate blood pressure, and support heart health. Did you know, just one medium orange gives over 90% of your daily vitamin C needs? It's also hydrating, low in calories, and super refreshing, making it perfect for summer and flu season alike. So next time, grab an orange and peel your way to better health. Like, share, and subscribe to KP Health Hub Official for more health-packed fruit facts.